this is my Electrolux dryer. I wish I didn't unplug it so you could hear the noise. I think I have a video of the noise. Anyway, it sounds like a broken car engine, like a big engine, like brah. So it was making the noise, but it was still spinning and drying the clothes. Now it's making an even louder noise, but the actual drum isn't spinning. It just makes loud noises. So today I am taking it apart to figure out what is wrong with it. So please excuse the mess. I have the tiniest laundry room ever. If you can see, that's the door and that's the garage door. I've just opened it up so I can kind of move around more. So this is the back of the Electrolux. I purchased it a couple years ago, so it's not that old. However, I do a ton of laundry. I have 4 kids, and, you know, it adds up. Football players, so on and so forth. But the first thing you're going to do is unplug it. That would be the best thing to do. And we're going to have to take off all the things hanging on it so we can unscrew all of these. Okay? Okay, so at this point, we've taken all the screws. Have you taken all the screws?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Some on the bottom.
Well, I'm a handy dandy helper, my son Nico. And so if you look, you can just lift the top panel, and eventually we're going to take off this panel. So there's that. Okay, so this back panel is off of the dryer. So we can actually see all of its innards. It's very dusty, so don't mind that. This is actually the power cord. Blah, blah, blah. And there's more dust. It's disgusting. Okay, so I am at a point where we don't know what this part is. But it's technically just laying in the bottom. I don't know where that goes. And there's just all kinds of pieces laying randomly, even a screw. So that is why my dryer is making noise. And we are about to fix it. Wish me luck. What the heck?
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
I'm going to put it on 15-minute fast dry.
Okay, go ahead.
Did you hear it?
I not only heard it, Mom, but...
Did you get shot? Okay. So we are now working on, like, I think it's like day 3. Because I've already taken the dryer apart. And I figured out that those pieces were laying there. And there's nothing broken right there. But today I made a phone call and talked to, I guess, a professional to find out about the screw that I feel like is missing from the back of the dryer. Sorry, it's a super mess in here because I haven't had. So, we are down. If you can see, this whole piece was laying on the floor, or right here. It was all laid out, but there was only one screw. The other screw, there is none. And I got it. It's all... Okay. So, if you watch, if I pull on this, it goes around fine, but it's like the motor is shaking. So, it's not secure in there. So, another thing that I found out, I just want you guys to know, is you should not ever take off the back of the dryer. Apparently that's a no-no. Oh well, that's how I did it. So I kind of do things off the Richter anyway. But I am about to put the back of the dryer back on there. And I'm also going to take off the front of the dryer, which I should have done. I just didn't want to unplug all the electricity or all the power sources. I didn't want to do that part. In the first part of my video, I had my son helping me, but today I'm going to be doing all of this stuff by myself. I really just need the boys to help me, like, with the hoses. They're on there pretty tight. I just don't want to, like, mess it up or strip it or anything like that, trying to do it my own way. So that's what I need my boys for. Just keep in mind, don't take the back of the dryer off. You're not supposed to. Okay. Showing you guys that I do have the back of the dryer is back on there. Okay. Now I gotta take off the front. So I'm gonna take this piece off. Wish me luck. So the back is completely together, and now we're dealing with the little screws that go here. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. We have to unscrew those. There's 3 of them. Let me see. Let's see. You see it? Do you see the little hole? Okay. There. Alright. And then we have to come up here to our power panel here. See? That screw. And this screw. Alright. I took off the front panel. Okay, all the screws are completely out. If you look, alright. We just gotta unhook this wire here. And I also found out that there are these nifty clips. And you have to unhook the clips in order to take the actual front panel off. And we also unhooked our motherboard here. You can see all the screws are undone. We have taken off the front. Movie line. We don't have very much room in this laundry area here. So now we're gonna take out the drum, and there's the.
What's that?
This is the belt, and this is our blower or our motor part of it. And as I pull the drum out, I will show you the rest. Move your head, baby. Okay. We are officially in the dryer. Okay. That is the motor. And I believe that might be our culprit. So I'm going to take it out. See if we can adjust everything. Okay. So at this point, I'm trying to take this clamp off. Okay, because I want to take the motor out and re-put it in the right way because it's loose and I don't want it loose anymore. So I had to get a bigger bolt to unscrew that. Okay. So you would have to hold the silver part, a pair of pliers, and use your socket wrench and turn it counterclockwise. Okay? So I was able to take my ratchet and unscrew while holding it with my wrench on the silver part back here. Okay? I really just wanted to take my motor off to check and see if there was any real damage that I could spot. I want you guys to take a look at. So it's been making a loud noise, and obviously pieces were falling, or I found pieces like that in the bottom of my dryer. But I also noticed, I want you guys to look, So if this is shaking, everything's going to shake. So there was a screw missing here as well. And another screw over on this end too. So at this point, I think I'm securing it, and there's nothing actually wrong with the motor or any of the elements in my dryer. So I am officially over this. This is it. Those pieces, the clamps are back on. It is sitting in the right position. I've put a new nail down there, a new nail over here. Hope that it doesn't jump around. Now I gotta hook this piece. And it goes around. See that? Okay. And then this spring. This is hard to do while videotaping. So that is the way it's supposed to be. I have officially finished. The dryer is completely back together and plugged in. Still a mess in here. I took it off the pedestal because I want to make a countertop. So that's what I'm planning on doing. Just want you guys to hear. I'm not faking it. It's my dryer. And that's how it sounds. I fixed it. My hair is a mess. My face is a mess. Okay. But I think my house is kind of messy too. But just got some stuff on the table. Anyway, I just want you guys to know that the dryer is complete and it is running and it's working. So kudos to me. I saved myself some dollars and I am going to enjoy an IPA now. Alright guys, if you like the videos, click subscribe, like, all that stuff. I'm just a mom doing handy stuff around the house. Look at my shirt, you can see all the dust and dirt.